I am very guilty of not being very in touch with what this incident has implied on me. In this video, I'll talk about how we did our installation project called Search Dawn. It was created to commemorate the missing Malaysian Airline MH370. We brought in more than 15 people to help us on this project. It was really great to see how this meant differently to each and every one of us. Coming back to 2019, which was last year, my friend asked me if I was interested to think of a event setup for MH370. So it drew my curiosity, and I was like, "What's it for?" It's basically the fifth year of commemoration of the missing MH370. So they wanted to do something different. Every year they will have something different that is being taken place during this date. There are lighting of candles. There will be releasing of doves. So everything is very symbolic. So it was held in Publica, and then we came together. I brought in some friends, and we brainstormed an idea out of it. What could we do about it? So what makes this year different, aside from the fifth year, is that they are bringing one of the broken aeroplane wing to sight for everyone to view. So I guess that's where it hits really hard. So what we actually thought of was to create a walkthrough experience leading towards the wing, and therefore creating a sort of temporary structure made out of bamboo. And the bamboo was sourced from all the way from Ulu Langat. So we kind of ordered the bamboo a week before, and then the Orang Asli said, like, how many do you want? I will just cut it down 3 days before you want it. And then, of course, with limited skills, I have a very good friend who was my high school friend. He's also a scout. He brought along another 12 scout members from my ex-high school, Catholic High, and then we all just tied them up together with a jute rope. So it was a very fun and painful experience at the same time. We did that whole thing for like close to 12 hours. It was a great experience doing something out of the realm of our job. As you meander your way through, it casts a sensorial experience of the search journey thus far. Your journey unfolds as you explore the layers of sheer fabric. It embodies the hardship and obstacles of the search journey. By setting up this experiential installation, we hope to remind everyone and the authorities to never forget and keep the search effort on.